It's so wonderful to be back here together with my dear friend and co-host Anja to go through smart food swaps, right? Lots of ways to be smart in the kitchen, but you've got a few ideas for us.
So we're gonna be swapping some salt for some herbs and spices today. We're gonna be swapping that oven for the microwave.
So yeah, without further ado, should we jump right in? So we're gonna do microwave popcorn. So all I need for this trick is a lunch bag. So you can get just a paper bag like this.
Oh, I didn't measure this.
It's okay, I know what a third, this is a bit more. I have 1/3 of a cup of popcorn. So that's probably good. And then that's all I'm gonna do because I'm gonna pop my popcorn first. So I fold it over twice. I pop it plain in the microwave and then I'm gonna add my fixins after.
So how much do you think a bag of popcorn that you buy one of those microwave bags at the store? Are they what, $1.50 each, probably?
Easy, they're really
this is
expensive.
like 35 cents because the popcorn in the kernels are very inexpensive and popcorn's a really good high fiber snack, right? So 3 cups of popcorn is gonna be a serving of carbs and they're a good high fiber snack.
I use popcorn as my carbs because as I mentioned, I can't eat gluten. So I use popcorn a lot as my carb, really, when I'm eating and eating things.
Delicious.
I know, it's so good. It's my excuse that it's my carb source. So I'll eat like a lot of popcorn and I'll put some olive oil with it and some spice blends. I'll do cinnamon popcorn with oil, coated. You just need to like have some oil to coat the kernels in. But so that's gonna pop for, I found depending on your microwave, you might have to redo the popping.
Okay, I don't know if we can zoom in. Do you want to flavor it or do you want to just show it like it is?
Oh yeah, this is such a pretty way just to eat it plain, just straight out of the bag. So this is, it smells amazing. You could also, we'll grab a fresh bowl here. I'll grab a white one, sorry. You could just take a bit of oil.
Maybe shake it up in there, hey?
Yeah, I'm gonna just show you this because I wanted to blend it with the spices. So you just take a bit of oil, coat the bottom. I like the Mexican blend for this one because it's a bit spicy. Just put a bit in and swirl it around. And then, oh, this is so yum. I'll just add the popcorn in. Oh, who needs a spoon?
You're gonna do it with your fingers.
I'm gonna go in with my hands. Okay, no, maybe not. I'm on camera. I should behave. I should behave. You can reuse the paper bag a few times to pop a few batches. The other thing that is possible is you can use a pot to make popcorn on the stove. So look how pretty this blend looks on the popcorn. It's so beautiful to look at. It smells amazing and you're getting tons of great flavor and great nutrition as well.